This is for my group, Bath Bomb World School. If you have never heard of Bath Bomb World School, I am a bath bomb group on Facebook that teaches people how to make bath bombs. If you're a beginner, if you're having problems, if you already make bath bombs and you're having problems, you know, I can try to help you tweak it and get it to where you want it to be. And this is just for the first this is for the very beginning of making bath bomb. Okay, so let me tell you what the ingredients are. Dry ingredients. I have here some Bloom baking soda. This is Bloom baking soda, and you don't have to have Bloom baking soda. I will do another video about, if you're in my group, there is a video, and I'm just rearranging my files and putting the recipes under other places in my group. So this is I bloomed this with dye. Blooming only happens with dye. I just happen to have this left over and I want to use it, so I'm using that. Baking soda. I have in here my cream of tartar, kaolin clay, and some SCI. It's a surfactant that gives the bomb the bubbles and foam. I have a citric acid here. I have my fragrance measure out, and I have some polysorbate 20. And that's it for the basic bath bombs. Okay, I'm not using any oils with this one here. All I'm using is for my any thing that is wet, like my fragrance and stuff, they're gonna be used as my binder. And I'm going to spritz a bit with some rubbing. No, I'm using water, sorry. I'm gonna spritz this bath bomb with water, and all I'm going to do is mix my baking soda, cream of tartar, kaolin clay, and SCI into the baking soda. That's the first thing I'm gonna mix. I'm going to mix up here. And I'm just gonna put this slide cover over so that it's hard to go in from this angle. Oh my god. Okay, there. And sorry about the noise. Okay, good. Okay, so didn't put on my, when you're mixing this, you need to put on a mask, because that SCI needs to, you need to have a mask on, a proper mask too, not those little flaky masks. I have to get a proper mask. I want this to be more blue, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add lakes to this. Blue lake, which is the another colorant for okay, let me add some fragrance to this. Oh Like, why am I spilling all the fragrance? I pretty much spilled. So that's a little bit of fragrance I add in there. Okay, so I need that to be a lot more blue. I like it blue. So I'm gonna get some lakes. Okay, so after my hunt for the lake, blue lake, everything goes west all at the same time. Anyways, I'm gonna put a bit of blue lake in here to spice up the color. I want it to be a bit more blue because when I add the citric, it's gonna be messy. Messy, messy, messy. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some. Before I pour this Polysorbate, I'm gonna do this because it's easier for me to get it in there. And just pour some of the poly in there because I want the blue. I don't like blue specks. This is why I do it like this. I can smell that peppermint. Oh my gosh. It smells really nice. It's a really nice smell. When you... Oh, is the cucumber in there. I love cucumber. The cucumber. And I'm going to use my hands to really get this in there. Because I have to have this a little bit wet than the usual wetness. Okay. I'm finish adding my Polysorbate. Yeah, this is fairly wet, so I'm gonna add my citric acid a little bit at a time. This camera sometimes, you can see that, I hope. I'm just adding this a little at a time because I don't want it to activate. Oh, I need a... Okay, so I have here some embeds and I'm gonna wet them before I... My embeds are very ugly, so I don't care. One way or the other. Okay, let's see. Let's get this going in here. It's kind of like hardening up already. Okay, let's put an embed over there. And a piece over there. And a piecey over there. I am messy. This embed is very big. That's the part where I don't like with these type of molds. The embeds, they're so cracky. Oh. Okay. I might not even. I have a better mold, butterfly mold, I think. I have a butterfly mold somewhere. Okay, my thing is very wet. I have to fill up over here. These embeds are gonna be the death of me. But you know, because I'm making, and this over here is cracking under pressure. I didn't even add any water with this because I just used the fragrance and the poly sorbate. And over here is kind of cracking up. This whole thing is cracking. Maybe it's too, I have to like let it sit for a bit. Okay, so I made another butterfly, and I'm just going to flop it out just like that. Comes out very easy, very easy. This one is really small. I didn't pack it to the fullest, but that's good, you think? All right. Okay, so guys, I really, okay, so I'm gonna get another one ready and pop it out for you. Okay, I am going to unmold this one for you. So that is 2, and that's it. I've got one more, and it's on another board. Okay, Saturday night, chilling, back on time. Okay,